of a bruised up fist, wrapped in a veil of a charcoal mist. The radio's screaming about a low pressure cell, but we're bunkered down in this coastal hell. The windows are plywood, the porch is a ghost. We're the last two standing on the sinking coast. Let the wind howl out your beautiful name. We're just two coals burning bright in the rain. The levees are breaking in, the tide's rolling in, but they can't wash away where your heart has been. Hold on to me, sugar, don't you let go. We're the only calm center that the Gulf's gonna know. Salt's in the air and the oaks are all bent, like sinners in church hoping heaven was sent. But I don't need a steeple or a golden floor, just the sound of your breath against the roar out the door. If the roof flies away and the walls turn to dust, then the lightning can witness what's left of us. So let the wind howl out your beautiful name. We're just two coals burning bright in the rain. The levees are breaking and the tide's rolling in, but they can't wash away where your harbor's been. Hold on to me, sugar, don't you let go. We're the only calm center that the Gulf's gonna know. The neighbors all fled in the shiny glass trucks. They're chasing the dry lane and testing their love. But an outlaw knows when it's time to stand fast, to ride out the fury and make the love last. We're tethered together by a whiskey sober line, and I'll keep you dry till the morning sunshine. Let the ocean rise up, let the thunder go mad. You're the best salvation that I've ever had. Yeah, let the wind howl out your beautiful name. We're just two coals burning bright in the main. The levees are breaking in, the tide's rolling in, but they can't wash away where your heart has been. Hold on to me, sugar, don't you let go. We're the only calm center that the Gulf's gonna know.